What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge today. We got some big stuff going on in Baby Doge coin. So we're going to be going over these technicals and what we got going up next inside Baby Doge. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section, and also let me know what you all want me to hear or to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's go right over Baby Doge. So the first thing we want to look at here is the bulls being in control of the 24-hour market control by 80%. That's pretty good right there. It shows that we're 80% bullish, and we're actually slowly but surely trying to get all the way up to this resistance where we were at before previously at the 2100 line. So we're trying to get all the way up there. So right now, Baby Doge is actually at this red area of supply and demand, which pretty much shows less demand. Even though we're at this red area of less demand, it even shows on the oscillator here that this is all buying volume coming in. So all the way from the 22nd, which was yesterday, till now, it's been all buying volume. That's why you see it on the upside over here. So we're definitely seeing lots of buying coming in for the whole overall crypto market, not just Baby Doge. We still have Bitcoin recovering. Now Bitcoin back at 50K. It hit 51K very briefly, but it is at 50K now, up 3.2% in the last 24 hours. And Ethereum over here up 1.9% in the last 24 hours. So we're pretty much having everything trying to like recover, but we have Baby Dogecoin doing way more recovery than like Bitcoin and Ethereum and all those other big coins. So Baby Doge actually up 8.6 for the last 24 hours. 8.6%. That's pretty big for the last 24 hours. And in the last 7 days, you can see that we're actually up 18.2% for the last 7 days inside of Baby Doge. So we're having some good numbers here. Lots of price increasing for here with Baby Doge. So we're definitely doing very, very well. This is definitely very good news for us for this whole recovery for the whole overall crypto market. So that's definitely good. But we need to talk about what could possibly happen inside of Baby Doge if we can't hold these levels. So if we can't hold at these levels in Baby Doge, you will see us go down to the next area of supply and demand, which is the next green area. Remember, the green areas for the vital algo indicators pretty much show more demand, and then the red areas show less demand. But over here, you can see there is a green area right here. So we would end up going down to about the 1540 area. We would go down to 1540. If we were to drop down from where we're at now, it would do something like this and just end up coming back down here. So if we did come down here and stop at the 1540, that's pretty much the last area we have before we get down to about 12 something or 1300. So this is a good area of support for us. Previously, like I said, 1200, maybe 13, maybe 14, but right now 1600 is definitely looking like, or 1540 is definitely looking like the support that we would hit if we couldn't hold the 1705 area. If we can't continue to rise, that's probably what we'll see. Now, I do want to mention something else here at Baby Doge. The supply and demand, the red area of less demand, definitely shows Baby Doge has less demand in this area, yet we're still on an uptrend. So pretty much what this means is even though there is a lot of selling going on, there's way more buying than selling. So there's still a good amount of demand for Baby Dogecoin at these levels. Now, we definitely have the potential to get up to the resistance, but right now we got to wait a few days, because if we're still on an uptrend in a few days, like the next few days, if we're still on an uptrend for Christmas Eve tomorrow, if we're still on an uptrend for Christmas, then we're doing very well. But if we stop going on that uptrend, if we end up going on a downtrend, then it's pretty much going to show what's going to happen next, which is pretty much that this whole thing was a bull trap. Now, I've been talking about this for a while. I've been mentioning like this could quite possibly be a bull trap. Like, I'm not 100% bearish on crypto in general, but for right now, the short term, this could be a bull trap. So let me take off of these indicators. Just look at the movements that we've been having. It's been very hard for us just to break the levels that we're at now. But really, primarily, you want to be looking at Bitcoin. So even looking at Bitcoin's pricing right now, it can come off as a bull trap very easily. If you look at the last 90 days for Bitcoin, and then look at how we almost passed 70K back here in early November, and then look at where we're at now, like this quite possibly could be a bull trap. Like, even the increase that we had here inside of price, it was just very small. Like, typically we have those slow but nice uptrends that usually happen inside of crypto. And what I mean by slow, like, look at this, from 40K over here at the 30th, and then over here to the 3rd, about 48K, then 51K. It slowly but surely got all the way up to 60K, and slowly but surely, as in about over a month or two, it got up to 60K. But right now, we're just having this kind of big increase in price, which could easily be invalidated by some selling and people taking profits. So we could easily have people take profits out of Bitcoin and all the other stuff. And I want to show this here. So top 3 price predictions, but really the most important thing you want to take out of this is over here. They say Bitcoin price undergoes a technical rejection as investors book some profit. So they're saying that investors are now booking profit. They're taking the profits out. So this is definitely something you want to watch out for, and it's really taking out before Christmas. So Bitcoin price was in a nice rally going into Christmas, but the trend looks to be hitting the curb at the time of writing. Bitcoin tried to pass 51K, and as soon as it did, it just started to retrace. But what could possibly happen to Bitcoin if we can't keep holding, the liquidity is going to run out. So Bitcoin bulls will need to watch out as liquidity starts to die down going into the holiday season. So expect the first level of support at 47.5K, where the 200-day SMA lies, and then eventually 47K and eventually lower. So you're pretty much predicting this to be a bull trap. Now, they said that would bring $44,000 and $43,000 back into play with the monthly S2 support level in the middle of that range. By then, the relative strength index is also likely to be firmly in oversold territory. So hopefully we don't continue to crash, and hopefully we don't continue to go down in the crypto market. But like I said, everything follows Bitcoin, so it's definitely relevant to check out the Bitcoin technical analysis while you're looking at the Baby Doge technical analysis as well. So anyways, we are doing some recoveries in the crypto market. Hopefully it can keep going. But yeah, like I said, this is very dangerous waters for people who just want to wait for the lowest dip, because it's almost impossible to buy in at the right time. That's why I'm always buying in. I bought in a little bit around here. Let me make this mark. So yeah, I bought in with my trillion or so tokens, 2 trillion around there, like right around this price here, right around this area. So I bought right in around there. And I even bought a lot more like way back here. Like I bought some way up here. I bought some here. I bought a lot of baby Dogecoin progressively. And now it's all the way at about 2.5 trillion, almost 3 trillion, somewhere around there. I got to check it again because I have multiple wallets. Like I said, I got like 3 wallets. I got some baby Dogecoin on my ledger. I got some on the trust wallet. I got some everywhere. So yeah, I got multiple baby Doge wallets. But yeah, we definitely have the potential to rise up here to this resistance. So let's keep watching out for the technicals. But getting off the technicals for a little bit, let's talk about our new stuff that we have going on inside the holders. So right now we have 1,059,834 holders. That's pretty big right there. And just overnight, and look, I just hit that refresh button. We just got like 100 new holders. But I wanted to mention, just overnight, we got 2,690 new holders. Shout out to Ultra243 on the Baby Doge Army Reddit for posting this. But yeah, overnight, we got 2,690 holders, and then we got $25,000 burned of Baby Doge overnight. And that came out to be about $17 trillion, or not $17 trillion, 17 trillion Baby Doge. So that's a lot that got burned. So yeah, we're still doing good numbers here. And then we got the Binance petition. Actually, it's almost past 9.7K, or it's almost past 10K. So yeah, we got the 9.7K right now, but we're almost past 10K here with the Binance petition. So hopefully we can get on the Binance. And then over here, Bitmart actually just now started to give the reflections back to people, because remember the hack. Ever since the hack, they kind of stopped everything for Baby Doge, but now they're back to giving the reflections back to people. So this is definitely going to help a lot of people out, a lot of people who have the whole Bitmart and Baby Doge problem right now. So shout out to Bitmart for making this go, and just for pretty much giving back to people, because a lot of people lost money inside that Bitmart hack, but they said they're going to be taking money out of their own wallets to give back to the people who lost money in these hacks. So that's definitely pretty good. That definitely gives them some solidity inside of the crypto market. Definitely makes them look like a good exchange. But yeah, anyways, this is really all I had today. This is just going to be a little short video of me updating the technicals and stuff. But yeah, you remember, we always do have to go over the roadmap for Baby Doge. So we just can't forget about it. So yeah, let's just type inside Twitter and go straight to the roadmap for Baby Doge. So remember our roadmap. First we had the wallet tracker that we already got out, and then we had the Ethereum bridge that we got out, and then the NFT collection that's already created. But right now they're just doing some auditing, and they just made a tweet about Baby Doge previously talking about how they're auditing right now. So they were talking about the audits and how there's like 9 audits inside play right now. Like I know some of them are like the smart contracts for different cryptos, not even having anything to deal with Baby Doge. But this is like a little hint. This is pretty much a hint that there's going to be some audits not even just audits. There's going to be huge utility coming for Baby Doge soon. They're just getting all the security measures taken care of. Because remember, they said 3, and then they said 9. But look, what do we have to get audited for 3 things? 1, 2, 3. For the Baby Doge wallet, the Baby Doge virtual and physical debit cards, and the Baby Doge exchange. I feel like they kind of gave a little bit of a subliminal here. So this is definitely going to be something very big for us. So once we actually get this out there, this will definitely be the utility that Baby Doge has been so desperately seeking for, and that people really want inside cryptos. A lot of people don't want to invest in cryptos that don't have any kind of utility, but Baby Doge has a lot of utility once we actually end up rolling out all of these different things inside the near future. So that's going to be one of the really big things for Doge, Baby Doge, that just sends us to the moon and just kind of separates us from the rest of the pack. There's a lot of meme coins out there that claim that they're this, claim that they're that, claim that they got all of this utility, but they really don't. And Baby Doge is really building that utility right now. So when we actually get all this utility built, this is going to be very big and very good for us all. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this very briefly. Wanted to talk about the supports and what we have going on in the next. So yeah, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Here are the trading indicators here. They'll tell you when we have uptrends, downtrends, chances of reversals. It'll show you all with the oscillator and the buying volume. It'll show you the 24-hour market control. It'll show you the dark pools and institutional interest when you want to pretty much invest your money in when there's more institutional interest. It'll show you all these different things with the Vital Algo indicator. So definitely check that out. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.